In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Microsoft Excel with Notion in just 5 minutes. If you're looking for a way to seamlessly integrate Notion data with your Excel spreadsheets, you've come to the right place. Let's break this down step by step, and soon you'll have a smooth workflow in place using Pabbly Connect, an automation platform that effortlessly links these two applications. First, you'll want to head over to the Pabbly Connect website and either sign up for a new account or log in if you already have one. Pabbly Connect is where all the magic happens, so it's essential to get this set up right off the bat. Once you're in, go ahead and create a new workflow. This is like setting up a new project space and should have a name that clearly reflects the task it will handle, making it easy to identify later on. Next, let's focus on setting up the trigger application. This part determines what will kick off the automation. For us, we're going to choose Notion as the trigger app. Then, select a trigger event. This could be something like a new database item or new update database item, depending on what you're specifically tracking in Notion. After choosing your trigger, you'll follow a few prompts that guide you in connecting your Notion account to Pabbly Connect. You might need to authorize Pabbly Connect to interact with your Notion account. And once that's done, pick the specific database you want to monitor for changes. Sometimes, Pabbly Connect will ask you to perform a trigger action. This step is crucial to capture a test response that will help ensure everything is working as planned. With your trigger setup complete, it's time to configure the action application. For our purpose, select Microsoft Excel. Then, choose an action event. Typically, this would be Add Row to Worksheet for importing Notion data into a spreadsheet. Just like with Notion, you'll also need to connect your Microsoft Excel account to Pabbly Connect. Choose the specific workbook and worksheet where you want the data to be added. Now comes the mapping of data, the most critical step yet. You'll see fields from your Excel worksheet, and you'll need to map these to corresponding data elements captured from the Notion trigger. This ensures that each piece of information ends up in the right place. Double-check to make sure all relevant Notion properties are mapped correctly to the correct Excel columns. Finally, save your work and test the setup to verify that everything is functioning properly. If the test is successful, you're ready to save and activate your workflow. From here on out, this automation will run quietly in the background, syncing your Notion data with Excel efficiently and effectively. That's it. You're now equipped to streamline your productivity by seamlessly integrating Notion with Microsoft Excel. Enjoy your newfound efficiency.